Hello everyone, my name is Mayank and today we'll be discussing about the company IKEA, how they have revolutionized the whole furniture industry and from those bulky furnitures to easy to assemble and portable furniture. Let's see how IKEA transformed their capabilities through operation excellence. Now, let's see the company overview. It is a Swedish multinational that deals with ready to assemble furniture. Now it's easier for company to store the products, deliver them safely to the customer. They also deal in kitchen appliances and home decor accessories and useful goods. The firm is known for its attention to cost control, operational details, continuous product development, eco-friendly simplicity, etc. And as of November 2018, there are 424 IKEA stores operating in 52 countries. Here is the sectoral brief of the company. There are two main divisions of the company, operations and franchising. In operations, they buy raw material and convert them into furniture. Then design team ensures that products meet strict requirements for functional efficiency, distribution quality, and impact on environment. Their idea is to develop low-cost products. They use tools like e-wheel to evaluate environmental impact. They also follow the code of conduct called IKEA Way of Purchasing Home Furniture Products, which is iWay. And now, this is the journey of IKEA from its foundation. It was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad. He used to sell everything like pen, watches, etc. from the age of 17. Then, in 1950, IKEA came up with their first catalog, then their first newspaper advertisement in 1950s, and they transformed themselves from a company that sells everything to the only furniture company. Then, in 1960s, they expand their business outside the boundaries of Sweden in neighboring countries like Norway and Denmark, and continue to spread their business in rest of Europe in 1970s. In 1980s, they moved out of the Europe and opened stores in USA and UK. They won Excellent Swedish Design Prize. After that, they continue to spread in rest of the Europe and in China also. They spread more in Asia in early 2000s by operating in the countries like Japan and Russia. And after that, now they have 425 stores in more than 52 countries. Let's see the SWOT analysis of IKEA. We have already discussed so many strengths of IKEA, like how they provide cost-effective furniture, easy to move furniture, easy to assemble design, environmental friendly, and distinctive designs. Here are some weaknesses uh, of the IKEA. Uh, they are placed in so many countries and they have to cater each and every preference of their own countries. Every country have their unique taste and preferences of furniture. Due to that, it's easy to assemble kind of furniture. They have restricted manufacturing capabilities. Other than that, here are few opportunities in front of IKEA: an increased demand for low-cost merchandise, the rapidly emerging Asian countries with wealthy middle-class population, to enhance levels of customer service through e-commerce. There are few threats also in front of IKEA, which are declarate amount of first-time buyers coming into the housing market. Within growing competitive retail market, mainstream retailers are being to mirror the model. The global financial crisis reduced the income of the customers and now they are not spending much towards housing. So, along with the housing, the furniture industry also suffers. Here is the journey of IKEA as per Potter's five force model. First one is market entry. IKEA stores are not very much located in small towns with small outlets, so this is an opportunity for new competitors to enter small towns with another low cost strategy with small outlets. Second one is suppliers power. IKEA had 1074 suppliers in 55 countries in 2010 compete with each other. IKEA's profit margin also affects the prices in raw material, then by the prices in labor. The bargaining power of the supplier could be threat for the profits. Third force is competitive rivalry. IKEA operates in an extremely competitive industry, characterized by other low-priced furniture produce such as Galeform in England and retailers like Walmart of the United States. The fourth force is the buyer's power. The buying power, it has focused marketing approach on demand and needs of the buyers that satisfies them and heavily positioned their products in these segments. Fifth and last force out of Potter's five force model is threats of substitutes. There is no particular furniture substitute, however, IKEA has to keep up with the latest trends and advances so that their quality furniture does not go out of style and become irrelevant. Now, this is how IKEA is following up with the coming trends, new and latest product ideas connecting with the innovations lab to create more handy and easy to use furniture, which is more durable, collaborating with the university students to get the fresh ideas and insights of the latest trends and spreading the marketplace around the globe. They are already present in 55 countries and they are continuously spreading to more cities and more countries. Now, as of current scenario, the IKEA is following a unique process analysis and operational strategies. There is no direct competitor who is providing such furniture which you can take your home and you can assemble it by yourself. And now, as IKEA is growing and expanding itself internationally, it has also started its own production for the company, which has made their products even more cheaper than before. There is no other furniture company who has shown such an exponential growth in only few years of its existence, which makes IKEA the market leader in these scenarios. Now, this is how IKEA is dealing with the externals. Stakeholders analysis. IKEA's employees are the one who work effortlessly, ensuring that the company satisfy the demands of their customers. The suppliers and stakeholders can be considered as an additional factor that made IKEA success they are at present. Stakeholders have always supported IKEA with their ideas and uh, innovations. Competition. IKEA do not have any other close or a direct competition who is selling furniture at such a global level. So, the IKEA's furniture competitors offer different styles and functionalities. IKEA is more successful in delivering the complete package for the customers that reflects on weak rivalries. With IKEA, you can decorate your whole home at one go. These are the few market forces. IKEA is large enough to enjoy economies of scale. This lower average costs and in the end puts up high barriers for small companies to enter. So IKEA becomes the market leader and dominate its position. Now, here is the pestle analysis of IKEA. First, political. Successful in both domestic and international businesses, IKEA started from the Sweden and now spread its around 55 countries. Economic low cost. As they have advantages of economies of scale, they can produce at low cost. They make social contributions through insurance and pensions. Technological uses superior technology and systems as they are already a huge company and they produce them by themselves, so they can take advantage with the latest technologies. Environmental. Concerning the environmental factors such as air, noise, water, inspections are put up in place. Legal. The legal compliance is sternly implemented with patient laws and regulations. Now let's analyze the capabilities of IKEA. They have ability to identify the priorities of business and make decisions in line with strategic direction. It focuses on the significance of both internal and external customers, the ability of management to differentiate and diversify their business strategy to dominate the global market. Now, as we already discussed, IKEA is always after the innovations that can make their furniture more handy, more durable, and easy to access. So now let's see what are the innovations currently going on at IKEA. Now, first of the innovations at IKEA, IKEA's vision, supported by efficient supply chain management. IKEA is distinctive in committing to a catalog of products that will be stocked for a year at a guaranteed price. Second, cost saving in furniture design. More than 50% of the products are made from sustainable or recycled products without compromising on the quality. Sustainable relationship with the suppliers. A key part of IKEA's success is credited to its communications and relationship management with material suppliers and manufacturers to get good prices on what it procures. Do, do it yourself assembly lowers packaging costs. Most IKEA furniture is designed and sold in pieces for the customers to assemble. Take up less room in truck can be shipped and minimizing order fulfillment cost. Streamlining the IKEA supply chain. On the main showroom floor, customer can browse for items. They then obtain the products themselves from the floor pallet location. Cost per touch inventory tactic. Having customers select the furniture and retrieve the packages themselves is an inventory management tactic called cost per touch. The seventh innovation at IKEA is maximum minimum setting as a proprietary system. Maximum setting, the maximum amount of particular product to order at one time. Minimum setting, minimum amount of products available before reordering. The logic of its maximum minimum settings is based on the number of products that will be sold from the reserve stack of the bin in a single day or 2-day period. Eighth innovation. Eighth innovation is in-store logistics. An in-the-store logistics manager responsible for the ordering process and a store goods manager responsible for material handling. Logistics all at IKEA's stores. They ensures an efficient flow of goods within IKEA stores. The last innovation is Usage of high flow and low flow warehouse facilities. In its high flow warehouse, IKEA employs automatic storage and retrieval system to drive down its cost per touch. Products stocked in a low flow facilities are not in high demand and operations rely on manual processes. Thank you very much for watching the video.